It was here on my Honda 70. Just got it out after sitting for a couple months. It's kind of dusty and grungy. I gotta clean it up. I don't know if I'm gonna ride it this summer. I just bought a truck and thinking about selling this to make a little bit of money to get more parts for the truck and pay for insurance and gas and stuff. But I don't really want to bother to get my motorcycle license because in Maine you have to if it's 50 cc's or more, and this is 72. So, but yeah, I'll just start up for you because it's awesome. Oh dear. Well, it should be plenty of battery power. Kickstart then. Electric start didn't want to work. I don't know why. I think there might be some corrosion in the switch though. Only 557 miles. Pull up on that thing, no one will even know it's running.